Are you curious about the marvelous ways to harness the power of protein powder for effective weight loss? Welcome to Marvelous Ways. In this video, we will present you with 6 strategies on how to optimize your protein intake to support your weight loss goals. Before we begin, learn how to discover our secret formula for losing weight the natural way without dieting or exercising by visiting brainsapp.com or click on the link below this video in the description box. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you are new here. And now, let's dive into the 6 tips in this video. Number 1. Choose a high-quality protein powder. Opt for a high-quality protein powder that is low in added sugars and artificial additives. Look for options that contain whey, casein, plant-based sources like pea, rice, or hemp protein. These provide essential amino acids to support muscle growth and repair while keeping you full. 2. Prioritize timing. Timing is crucial when taking protein powder for weight loss. Consuming it within 30 minutes to an hour after a workout helps replenish glycogen stores, supports muscle recovery, and prevents muscle breakdown. Additionally, having a protein-rich snack or shake in the morning can kickstart your metabolism for the day. Number 3. Balance protein intake throughout the day. Distribute your protein intake evenly across your meals and snacks. This approach supports muscle synthesis throughout the day and helps control your appetite. Aim for about 20 to 25 grams of protein per meal to maximize its satiating effect. If you are still here, why don't you give us a thumbs up, like this video, and encourage the YouTube algorithm to suggest our videos to more weight loss viewers like yourself. What is your favorite tip so far? Comment below. Let's continue with the rest. Number 4. Create balanced protein shakes. Protein shakes can be an excellent way to supplement your protein intake. Blend protein powder with sources like milk, that is dairy or plant-based, yogurt or water. Enhance the nutritional value by adding fruits, vegetables, healthy fats, and fiber. Example, chia seeds to create a balanced and satisfying shake. Number 5. Incorporate protein into meals. Don't limit protein powder to just shakes. Add it into recipes to increase your protein intake. You can mix protein powder into oatmeal, yogurt, smoothie bowls, pancakes, or energy bowls. This not only adds flavor and texture, but also boosts the protein content of your meals. Number 6. Stay hydrated. Protein requires water for digestion and absorption. Ensure you stay hydrated throughout the day to support efficient protein utilization. Drinking enough water also helps control appetite and prevent overeating. If you liked this video, then give it a like and also subscribe to this channel. Check the other videos on our end screen right now, because they will surely help you in your weight loss journey. See you in the next video.